Hello, great people. So, Nnamdi Kanu was in court today, 24th September 2024. And there were certain developments. Justice Binta Nyako recuses herself from Nnamdi Kanu's trial. She don't wash her hands like pirates. And maybe she will not be the judge to continue with the trial. And why did she do so? According to reports we have here, they said IPOB leader scolded her for disobeying Supreme Court order. Maybe there's an earlier order. So she recuses herself. When you hear recusses, it's something that has to do with courts. I will not continue to be the judge on this matter. So at the resumed sitting, the IPOB leader has ordered his counsel, Aloy Ejimako, to sit down while he made reference to the judgment of the Supreme Court where alleged bias against the judge was raised. Did you listen? So it's like the leader himself, IPOB leader, spoke for himself today. He ordered his counsel, Ejimako, to sit down, the IPOB leader, and he spoke for himself, just like he has done severally. He made a reference to the judgment of the Supreme Court where alleged bias against the judge was raised. So Justice Binta Nyako of Federal High Court, sitting in Abuja on Tuesday, which is today, handed off from presiding over the trial of the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu. I thought we are expecting a speeded trial. That is what they said earlier. They said the trial will be speeded up. We know what is what, where we are heading with this. But based on what transpired today, now they will start to look for a new judge, then new dates for the judge to start. Did you notice what is happening? You know, the case is back at the appeal court. So she washes her hand off. I know they try again. Or they go. So Justice Nyako's withdrawal from the trial followed Nnamdi Kanu's application in an open court, requesting her to recuse herself from the trial due to her disobedience of orders of Supreme Court. It is Nnamdi Kanu's request, according to the report we have. Nnamdi Kanu, because of a previous bias, alleged bias, so Nnamdi Kanu asked her to withdraw from this matter. So today, 24th, maybe from henceforth we will not be seeing her. But for me, whether it's coming from Nnamdi Kanu or whoever, I think they are delaying the matter. Or maybe it is, who knows, whether it's a tactics from the defense. I don't even understand what is happening. But from all indications, another judge will continue with the matter. Nnamdi Kanu asked Ejimako to sit down. So while Ejimako was trying to persuade the court to suspend the trial due to the fact that Kanu himself had denied the opportunity to prepare his defense, listen, the detained Kanu rose from his seat and ordered his lawyer to sit down. This transpired in the court today. He said, sit down. I say you should sit down. He roared. You already know Nnamdi Kanu, how he behaves. So he asked his lawyer to sit down. Afterwards, he said, my lord, I have no confidence in this court anymore, and I ask you to recuse yourself because you did not abide by the decision of the Supreme Court. Oh! So Nnamdi Kanu went on. He said, I can understand if it is the DSS that refuses to obey a court order. But for this court to refuse to obey an order of the Supreme Court is regrettable. So he said, I am asking you to recuse yourself from this case. Kanu stated, recuse yourself. We had the prosecution counsel, Adeboyega Awomolo, SAN, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, urged the court to proceed with the trial. Meanwhile, Justice Binta Nyako said she was minded to recuse herself from the case. And she said, I hereby recuse myself and remit the case file back to the Chief Judge. Or Diego, we don't know what will happen with this trial or the way it's going. A lot of things have happened, delaying the trial. At some point you think we will have to move on. This is this, and postponement. It will, they will say the next year in 3 months' time, this and that. Nnamdi Kanu is going to 3 years in detention, if not more. Viewers, what do you think? Add your comment on the comment section. What do you think? This is really somehow. Now, it is, when I first heard about this, I was thinking, are they trying to bring their delay tactics as usual? But from all indication, it is now Nnamdi Kanu himself. Not through, even through his counselor himself, according to what we've gathered. It is he himself, he told his counsel to keep calm. Query the lawyer. There is an alleged bias against you and why you should not continue. So Nnamdi Kanu himself doesn't want the judge to continue. What do you think about this? Add your comment on the comment section. Audio go.
And we have written a letter to them that they have not replied. Oh, they have not responded. Yes, they have not responded. I met with Attorney General at so what are you having? No. And most of you generally take time to go through some of these documents and then come to the ruling. Which one the ruling is? You know, I gonna want to argument in it. Not for certain, so that it will not be as if we are
I don't understand.
Maxwell.